Hi, today we're going to quickly run through all the settings that you can make inside the affiliate program section in AI Trillion. To do this, log into AI Trillion and in the left-hand side navigation bar, go to affiliate program and then to configuration. Inside the affiliate configuration settings, you will see a cookie expiration date. You can change this to whatever you like. A cookie expiration date basically means that once a person uses an affiliate link to shop, a small cookie is saved on the end customer's computer, which allows them to shop from that affiliate link every time that they go to your website. So you can set a cookie expiration date. You can set, it's usually 365 days, but let's say you want to keep it at 90 days. The customer parameter, we do not recommend changing this unless you really want to. A checkbox text for registration as an affiliate, and whether the checkbox text is checked or accepted by default. So you could say, I agree to become an affiliate, or let's say, yes, I want to, yes, I agree to become an affiliate. You can change that to whatever you like. The commission workflow. So you want to add commission to the affiliate account when the order obtained status is open or fulfilled. Let's say I want to add it as open. Do you want to hold the commission for a certain number of days? So I will say, yes, I want to hold it for 5 days. Let the order come, wait for 5 days, and then send the commission. Minimum withdrawal amount and minimum available balance. So you can say the affiliate can withdraw a minimum of has to withdraw a minimum of $10, and to withdraw a minimum of $10, they have to have a minimum of $25 on their account. And then, of course, your PayPal client ID and client secret key. Your PayPal client ID and client secret key can be provided to you by PayPal. So if you must have a PayPal account, not only you, but everybody registering for an affiliate need to have an account. You need to have a client ID and a secret key. The affiliates who will be using their links can do so with a PayPal ID itself. Once you've made all your settings, ensure that the app status is turned on and click update or save as the case may be. That's a general run through of all the settings there are in affiliate program. We have another video here on YouTube where you can actually see how you can set up affiliate commissions. Basically, you have to set up a rule first, and then after setting up a rule, you have to go to programs. And inside the affiliate program section, if you click on create program, it allows you to select a rule, program name, status, and then here's where you choose the commission. If you want to give a fixed, let's say $5, or a percentage. Let's say I want to give a percent and I want to give 12%. Save. And that's how you create a rule. Sorry, that's how you create a program and set up commissions. That's all there was to the settings inside the affiliate section for AI Trillion. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.